Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Review. My name is Deb and today we are here with an unboxing of a Motorola phone. This is the Edge 20. This is almost a flagship level, but the price of it is mid-range. So let me show you around the box and then we'll go ahead with the unboxing. So all of the Motorola devices have very similar kind of box, the same dark blue box, but the here it's a bit different. It has a little bit of silver coating at the silver embossed in the fonts. If you see here, now on the left side simple Motorola, on the right side again Motorola. On the top they have the seal here and little bit of detail here. And here's the details. So the MRP of this one is listed as 35,000, but you can get this for around 28,000 from Flipkart. I got this from Flipkart and I'll put the link of that somewhere below. You can check that out. And let's see, manufacturer name. So it's made in India. That's good. These days everything is made in China, so it's good to see some electronic that is made in India. And turbocharged 30-watt charger. Anyways, we'll see everything. Let me just show you on the back. So very minimalist. I like that. A lot of seals everywhere. And 5G, yeah, this is 5G. This has almost 11 bands of 5G that is available. So 5G plan coverage, yeah, disclaimer here, ready for wireless TV. So this is something for ready for. I will do the review of that and include everything there. So subscribe for that. And if you have already subscribed, then stay tuned. The review will be on after 15 days. I'll just use it thoroughly and then I'll post the review after good testing. Certain feature, blah blah. Okay, let's go ahead and do the unboxing now. So the first seal, it is the protection seal. The second one and the fourth one. Okay, seals are broken. Ooh, I love this feeling when it slides off. Okay, we're greeted with the phone and the phone is in a protective case. I love this about the Motorola phones. This has, all the phones have a protective casing around that. So, this is the frosted emerald model. There are three models of that. One is the gray, one is pearly white, and this is the emerald model. So, let me just put that aside. I will come back to that, and let me see what else is in the box. Simple plain. Let's move that. The charger. So this is the 30-watt turbocharger and this is USB-C to USB-C. This is another great thing and quite heavy, and this will charge your mobile like it will go from 0 to 67% in 30 minutes, and to charge the whole phone it will take around 1 hour. So very good these days when all the phones are just removing their charger. I'm very glad to see that Motorola is still including this. Okay, keeping that aside, we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. Another good thing, you won't get this is another sign of flagship level phones. They have USB-C to USB-C. Okay, let me just put this aside and let's see what are the documentation. So I like this about Motorola, no wastage at all. So inside we have the SIM ejector tool. Let me just put this aside. So let's see what documentation is there. Safety, legal safety regulation. Okay, the pin, and we have the instruction manual. Nice. All right, now coming to the phone itself, really beautiful. I really love this color. Let me just remove the case of that so that we can see that properly. Okay, the Edge, the first generation Edge had a curved display, but this one is really flat, very slim, very slim. The back of this is frosted plastic. This is sadly not glass, but using the plastic they have kept the weight to a minimum. Actually, this is actually lighter than the first generation Edge. The back is plastic, as I said, frosted plastic, but the frame of this is aluminum. So that is again a very good thing. So coming to the buttons and ports, we have the power button here and the fingerprint reader is embedded in that. We have the volume up and down rocker here. Coming to the top, We have the secondary noise reduction mic here. Coming to the left side, we have, this is the Google button, and I'm not sure if can be remapped. I read somewhere that this can be remapped to any other function. I will test that and I will inform you in the update you in the review. Coming to the bottom, so everything is at the bottom itself in this. This is the USB-C port here. We have the primary mic here, and this is the SIM port, and I'll show you what's inside. And this is the single firing, bottom firing speaker. Sadly, this one does not have stereo speaker. This is just one. The earlier first generation Moto Edge had stereo speaker, so that's something we would miss. So let me just show you the SIM tray. See that very gently. So there is a rubber gasket here, so some level of water protection is there. So anyways, this is not totally waterproof, but this is some IP52 water resistance, so that is, it is splash resistance, splash proof. Little bit of rain it can tolerate, but do not go swimming with this, it will be destroyed. So no micro SD card slot here, just 2 SIM, so that's a shame. But this is the 128 GB model, so that is one good thing. Let me just measure that, then we'll go to the other aspects of this phone. 165, very light, very light in this. Usually this size phones are around 180 grams. 165, as I said, because of the plastic and all. So let's see. This, coming to the back, 3 cameras are there. So this one in the middle, this is actually a 108 megapixel camera. So this is huge. This is at this price point, this is like, I think this is the highest which any company is providing. And this one is the 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, and this is the 8 megapixel zoom camera. And let's see what else is there. This actually has a third mic, noise cancellation mic. So other phones has just 2, so this is a third one, and that actually comes into play when we are recording zoom video. So this is a very sensitive mic right here. And sadly, no headphone jack here. Flagship phones, that's how you can understand there is a flagship. They remove the headphone jack for that. I wish they didn't do it, but yeah. And coming to the RAM, this has 8 GB RAM, and the storage of this is 128 GB ROM. And yeah, coming to the front now, let me just open this and show you the screen. Okay, this have a hole punch camera here, and this is, I think, 32 megapixel front camera. Let me see if there is any juice in this one. Right, so that's starting. So let me tell you something about the screen. This is 6.7 inch full AMOLED display, which is full HD plus with 450 nits brightness. That is very bright. Hello Moto, yeah, hello to you too. And the resolution of this is 2400 into 1080p pixels. The refresh rate of is 144 hertz. That is equal to the gaming mobiles out there, so that is the best out there. And the protection of this is Gorilla Glass 3. It will not scratch. This is best in the market. Usually the other phones of Motorola, they use Panda Glass. Those are good, equally as good, but they have gone with the market leader here, and they have used Gorilla Glass here. So they have used Android 11 in this phone, which is the stock Android. Again, I will tell you more about this during our review video, so again, stay tuned for that. This has ThinkShield for mobile, which is there for Lenovo ThinkPad laptops, which is another good thing. You do not, in this day and age, you need protection, so the protection of this is embedded in the hardware and the software, both of that. So alright, coming to the battery. The battery of this is, sadly, it's a bit lacking, but usually all the other Motorola has around 5000 mAh battery, but this one has 4000 mAh battery. But I will use that and tell you how long it lasts. I think because of the processor, it might last long. Now coming to the processor, this has India's first Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. This is very good, which supports 5G up to 11 bands. So that is again a very good thing. Flagship grade, all the features of flagship grade. This is really nice, and at this price, below 30,000, I think this is one of the best option, if not the best option available in the market. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. I just can't get over the fact it is so slim. This is I think 6.7 or something like that. Very slim. 6.99 slim flat design. Yeah. Oh yes. And talking about this, the camera bump. It's a bit much. If you use this like this, there will be a little bit of wobble to that. So I would suggest just use this so you won't have any problem. So that's nice. All right, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. And another thing, I have created another channel in which I am posting all the Hindi reviews or unboxings, and also that have bonus features. Like that channel will have, I'll be posting non-technical reviews there, reviews about bikes, cars, and vlogs, trekking, fitness, everything there. So do check that out. I'll put the link of that in the description below, and also in the end screen you will be able to see that. Subscribe and support us. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.